Uh, I came here to discover a little bit more about me and to have some tools to clean my path to achieve my objectives in my life. So I knew looking Susana before and I saw a little bit about this course and I was thinking, okay, maybe it's time to do this. It's more for this to clean my path and achieve my dreams. One of the nice aspects that I found here is about the feelings that I have still with this connection with my past when I was a child, and I didn't realize that this had so much impact in my life today. So we work a lot with this inner child, so this was really amazing for me in this week here, and now I can realize how much impact this have in my life, and I started to work with this, so I could see that I can change this in a nice way now. Yeah. And one nice aspect that you can use this, because you cannot change your past, but you can use this to improve your life, for achieve your objectives, your dreams, to use this with your work, in your life, and anything. So it's nice when you can switch this view that if you suffer before or you have bad stuff before, you think this all the time, you have these bad feelings, but you can change this switch and say, okay, I can learn with this. So yeah, I think it's a good course to improve yourself, and you have some tools nice.